want to mark anything, your logo or some content, you can just let me know. Next, I will introduce our company first. You can see the screen. This is the brief introduction of our company. Our company's name is Shenyang Faith Technology Co. Ltd. Our company is a high-tech enterprise and integrates independent research and development, production, sales, and service. We specialize in providing industrial coding, technology, and traceable system solutions. Our company was founded in 2022, this year. Until this year, we have after more than 10 years of persistent efforts, our team has grown to include 200 members, and our production workshop is already over 2,000 square meters. We have a bigger workshop and we have more team workers. Our main products include fiber laser marking machine, CO2 and UV laser marking machines, and TIJ, CIJ printers. Also include some other products like rotaries, paging machines, conveyor, and so on. This is our development history. We can check that our company was founded in 2010. After 2 years, we launched our first CIJ printer. In 2013, we upgraded the production workshops from a small workshop to a bigger one. In 2015, we launched our first laser marking machine. In 2016, we got our certificates. There are CE certificate, ISO 9001, and ROHS certificate. In 2017, we launched the first encryption chip printer. Until 2018, we have take part in some exhibitions. That year, we went to the Hong Kong exhibition. Until this year, we have exported our machines to 116 countries. And there are more than 200 users, buyers all over the world. Let's see next page. Here are some certificates of our company. You can check. For the laser machines, we have the special certificates. We have CE, ROHS, and also ISO certificate. Okay, let's play. We also have very good after-sales service. We have 24-hour service. Our colleagues will offer the best service for you, no matter it's before you purchase the machine or after you got the machine. No matter what problem you have, just contact us. We will try our best to solve your problem. no matter your question is about the machines or about the transportation or about anything, we will have the special people for you. Most machines warranty is 2 years. We have 2 years warranty. You have some reasons to choose Five, because we have 20 years experience focused on coding machine. And we have 126 countries exported. We have over 200,000 global users. And most machines have 2 years warranties. We have 16 quality certificates and 200 team members. We have 20 professional engineers. You can see there are some photos. The first one is when we went to the exhibition, our colleagues talked with the customers. These two, our customers come to visit our company, our workshop. This is our boss. And we took them to visit our workshop. If you are interested and want to come to our company, it's okay. But now it's because of the virus, so maybe it's not a good time. But in the future, if you want, we will be very glad if you can come. Here is some of our hot-selling machines. We have desktop, we have portable, handheld, and flying models. Depends on our customers' different requests. We will advise you different models. So sometimes when you contact our colleagues, sometimes we will ask you about what material will you work on, or what kind of working scenario you have. So after you give feedback to us, we will know, we will advise you which model is best for you. So if you are interested in our machine, better you can offer us the photo or the video about your working scenario, so we could have a better advice. This one. Today we will introduce this model. It's PL100. It's a desktop. You can see there is a big cabinet, right? And upper there is a laptop. So it's combined. This model has a laptop included. These two are same. And these two are the portable fiber laser marking machine. They are very light, and the transportation fee will be less than the desktop. This one is our hot selling. The net weight is only 25 kilograms. Even me can carry. And this one is a split fiber laser marking machine. It's hot selling also. So different customers will choose different models according to their needs. But these two, they have no laptops. This is the UV laser marking machine. By the way, the fiber laser marking machine are mainly for metals and some of the non-metals. Metals like aluminum, stainless steel, brass, and so on for all metals. And for some metals like P and PVC type is favorite machine. This is the UV laser machines. It's mainly for plastic. You can see there is water cooling cabinet together. Next, this one is a flying type. What is flying type? Means this kind of machine can be used in production line. It can cooperate with the conveyor belt. So it has faster speed than the static models. The flying model is mainly for the faster speed production line. It's the flying fiber. This one is CO2 flying laser machine. CO2 laser machine is mainly for like wood, leather, some glass like that. So if you don't know what kind of machine exactly you need, you can ask us. We are more professional, so we will advise you which model is more suitable for you. Okay. That's all the introduction of our company and some hot selling machines. So next, I will introduce this one first. This is one of our hot selling fiber laser marking machine. Like I said just now, it's very light. The weight is only 25 kilograms. So most customers like it because it's very easy to move, even if a girl can move it somewhere. So, but this machine has no laptop together. So if you need this machine, you need an extra laptop to combine to the machine and operate. Next, I will introduce all the parts. First, all the material of the shafts are aluminum. It's very strong and anti-interference. All the shafts are aluminum. This part is the main cabinet. Inside there are power supply, laser source, and many more. About the laser source, I will say some in brief. We have Rikos, we have Max. They are all famous Chinese brands. Most customers will choose what laser brand they want, but some other customers they don't know what brand they will choose. So Rikos and Max is a Chinese popular brand. And we also have JPT, it's also famous. If you want from Germany brand, there are IPG, it's more expensive. Here you can see there are many holes on the working bench, right? So you can fix your position board on it. For example, if your product is very small, for example, like a phone case, so you can fix your position board on here. Every time when you mark your phone case, so you can put a stable place every time. So every marking will be the same place, right? The upper we can see here is the field line. It's a field line, and the upper is the galvanometer. Here is the laser pass. So the fiber will come from the cabinet from the laser source go through the laser path and come to the galvanometer. About the field line, I will say it will determine the marking size. There is a range of the marking size, right? So if you have a bigger marking size required, so we can customize different size of the field line. So the minimum size range is from 70 millimeters until 70 millimeters up to maximum 400 millimeters. So it depends on your requirements. Here is the lifting bracket. So we can change the height from the field line to the product through adjusting the lifting bracket. See? When you adjust, the height will change, right? So during its working, we can see from the light to know if the focus is the strongest. Okay, so that's all the parts of this machine. If you have any questions about the machines or about which model to choose, you can ask us, we will answer. This one, there are one button. Here is the working light. During the machine works, the red light will be on. Here is the power switch. After push, the machine will start. Okay, that's all the machines. Next, I will introduce the desktop. You can see this model is a desktop. Actually, most parts are same, like the working bench, right? There are also fix your position board on it. And the field line and the galvanometer and the laser path is all same. The lifting bracket. The principle is same with the PL130. This model is PL100. The difference between this one and the previous one is much bigger than the previous one. The total weight of this model is around 160 kilograms. Because it's heavier, so the transportation weight will advise by shape, because you can save some money. This model has the laptop included. Okay. All the fiber laser marking machines have many watts optional. There are 20 watts, 30 watts, 50 watts, and also 100 watts, 200 watts. So it depends on your working condition. What kind of material will you mark, and what's the effect you want? So better show us your working picture or the video so we can give a better advice. As per different watts, the price is different. If you want to know, if you are interested in our machines, you can contact our colleagues. So until now, let us check if they have any questions. Let me check if our customers have any questions. a ring on a ring. Of course, it can mark a ring. If the most material of the ring are gold or silver, right? So the fiber laser marking machine can work on this material. But we need to use the rotary. We need to use the rotary. You can see it can go around, right? During working, we need to fix the ring on the rotator, and then it goes around, and during it goes around, the machine will mark on the ring. So that's how it works. Let's see, we have started the machine, right? How the machine starts? First, we need to push the power switch and then the screen. Okay. So next, I will mark some samples on some metal materials. If you want me to mark anything or your logo or your company's name, you can just let me know. If you want to mark your logo, you can send the file to our colleague and then they will bill me. So I will mark for you. First, I will mark on aluminum. It's a very thin aluminum part. It's a green one. The original color of the aluminum is like a silver, but this one is green because there are very thin painting about the aluminum. So when we mark, the original color will appear. You can see the software. The name is EZCAD. It's for the laser marking machines, and it's free for the customers if you already purchase the machines. The teaching video will be with the machines. But after you got the software, if you still don't know how to use it, you can contact us. We will teach you. First, what I will mark. Let me see. I will introduce the software briefly. First, if I want to edit, for example, my company's name, Faith Technology. So I need to click this button first. It's for editing the content. And then click anywhere of the screen. You can see there is a square scale, right? So all your editing words cannot exceed the square. The default word is text. If you want to edit different words, see, let us edit here. For example, our company's name. There's a keyboard here. I will input our company's name. Faith Technology. After inputting, you want to ask why the words here didn't change, because we need to click apply. After we click the apply button, the words will change, right? There is a button here. After click, the words will be will adjust to the central place. The words style can be changed also. Here, there are many different kind of words style. Let's try one by one. Every time, if after you adjust anything, no matter you adjust the content or you adjust the size or anything, every time after changing, you need to click apply. See, the words the font style change, right? I need to make it smaller and adjust to the central place. Face technology. We try first this kind of style. See, there are many choices. There are many choices. You can preview each command. Okay, let's try. Before marking, there is a red light preview. So I click the F1. You can see there is a red light scale, right? So inside the red light is the words size. I will teach you how to make the light focus to make the light to be the strongest. We need to adjust the light breakage until we can see there are 3 lights, right? So we need to adjust the height until the light comes to 1 point. 3 light dots come into 1 light. So it will be the strongest. Okay, F1 to preview and then F2 to mark. I will change here you can change the power. Here you can change the speed and the power. The second way to make the light too stronger, we can adjust during marking. See, just now the light is not so strong, right? After I adjust, you can hear there are some sound and the light is the strongest, right? So now, see, the light, the laser is the strongest. Let's see. Just now the model, the working way I choose is the continuous marking. So if you don't want it a continuous marking many times, you can just cancel the click. So it will just mark 1 time. See the upper it just mark one time. If we only mark one time, it will be shallow, not so deep and not so clear. So it depends on your needs. If you want your logo or the content is whiter or very deep, so you can mark it several times. Next, let's check the other font style. After I change, click apply, so it will change. Okay, next, let's try what will happen. We can see this font model. There are some amplitude inside the words because it's a different style of the words. We can fill the empty space of the words. Click this one, click this button, and then we can fill the words. And then we can change the space of the filling. Okay, let's see what will happen next. First, preview, and then mark. I see. The gap between the words already filled, so it looks much whiter and looks deeper and clearer, right? It looks much clearer. Just now we see that it marks like 3 times, right? I didn't choose to mark 3 times. So why it marks more than 1 time? Of course, the first time the machine needs to mark the outline first, and then the next 2 times like that will fill in the words. So it's the principle. Next, if our friends have any questions, please leave your message here, and I will check and answer. Next, we can draw the picture you want also. See, I draw triangle. You can draw anything. And we can also mark photo picture. If you want to mark a photo, click this button. Click this button, you can choose a photo and then mark. But if you mark a picture, it takes a longer time because there are many things in the picture, right? If you want me to mark anything, you can leave your message here and I will mark what you need. Is there any questions? Is there any doubts about the machines? let me know, I will answer. Yes. Let me see. Yes. Hello, sir. I'm Kayla. Next, I will input our company's name again. After I input our company's name, click apply, so it will change. And here, after we choose the word, here are several tabs of the word. See? You put your mouse on each one, there will be preview of the different font. And then click this button, see? Click this button and then choose the filling way. Choose the filling way. For example, every time when you click, the filling wheel will change. Normally we use this one. And here, of course now it's the Chinese version. I didn't change it to English. But when you go to your machine, the software language will be English. So here, you can change the space of the filling wheel. If you change the numbers smaller, the filling line will be more, so it will be more deep. See, let's try one. First, click F1 to preview. We can see their red line scale, right? Red line scale. So all the words will be marked inside the scale. And then click F2. See, it's very clear. Yes, it's very clear. So we can see the color white because it's aluminum. So its original color is white. After marking, the painting drop off. So after the painting removed, it shows the original color white. Normally, the biggest power is 100 watts, right? But we don't advise you to change the watts to 100 because it's the maximum number, right? So sometimes it may have some. It may be bad for the machine. So normally we can change the power to 90 or 95 and not 100 because it's too big. If you change the watts bigger, the words will be deeper. Okay, and if the speed faster, and the laser will be weaker. You understand me? Because the speed very fast, so it cannot mark so deep. So that's the principle. Let me see. Let me check our customers' questions. If you have any questions, you can show me. Let me check what our friends asked. Can you show how to use the rotary? Okay. I can show how to use, but I need a partner. I need a partner. Where is my partner? I will just tell you, sir, how to use the rotary, because there's only me here. If you really need later after my lab, I will take a video for you, because I need someone to help me. I need to connect this here to the interface of the machine. And if you have a run like this, if you have a run things, you can fix here. There is a key here. There is a key, so you can adjust the middle size bigger and fix your things here. When the rotary goes around, so during it goes around, the machine, the laser will max here. All right, you understand? So that's how it works. Later, if you really need, I will take a video for you. I need my partner's help. All right. Okay. So that's how the rotary works. We can see there are already rust on it. Also, it's in our office for several years. What you will get is a totally new one. Okay. What you want to mark next? Let me know. Please let me know. Here there are some color bars. So if there is a interesting thing, you can mark two. For example, you have two content to mark, right? The first one face, the second one text. So you can give each content different power and different speed. First, for example, like face. After you choose face, you can click the color and change the power and the speed. And then after you choose text, you can click the blue bar and change the power and the speed also. So when you mark, face and the text will have different power. So the color may be real different and the depth different also. So that's how it works. What else do you want to know? Anything? For all the new customers coming to our lab room, if you have any questions, please let me know. Okay? Let's see. I will mark a logo. I will see if there is a logo. Okay. There is a logo. Huh? Okay. You want to mark your logo? Okay. You want to mark your logo with the rotary. Um, if you want to use the rotary, you have to have a round thing. But for now, I don't have a round, like a ring or the round metal. Now I don't have, sir. If actually we don't have, right? We don't have a ring or round thing for now in our office. Sorry for that. Ah, logo. Where's my USB disk? Sir, your logo is in my USB disk. Where's my USB disk? Let me see. Let me find my USB disk.
有买家进入直播间了。
Can you pass me my USB disk? Welcome the new friends come into our lab room. If you have any questions, please let me know. Let me check if I have your logo here. I will check if I have your. If I have your logo. I'm so very sad. Sorry, sir. Your logo is not in my USB disk. It's in my own computer. Because this one is the computer is with the machine. My own computer is on my desk. So let me finish. I will mark for you later, and then I will take a video. Is it alright? I will mark another logo. Because my USB disk have only several, not all the logos here. I will try to mark. I will try to mark this one. First, click F1 to make it focus. And then click F1 to focus. And then click F2 to mark. See? There's also space inside the words, right? Because I didn't fill it just now. Now I will fill it. the logo has some. Is there any
牛买单
question?
进入直播间了。
Is there any question from our new friends? If there is, please let me know, so I will answer. I will answer. Okay, next I will mark this logo. Because I only have several logos in my USB disk, so I can only just mark what I have. If you have any request, you can send me your file. Like my customer just now, sir. Now I don't have your logo. Later, if you want, I will mark. I will import your logo into this machine and then mark for you. So now let's try to mark this one. This logo is from one of another customer. And I already fill in the logo. Let's see what will happen. See, after the first time marking, it will mark again. Because the first time, the machine will mark the outline of the word. And the second time and the third time, it will fill in the words. So it will be darker. Let's see. Yes, it's very clear. This material is aluminum, so its original color is white. Outside there is a very thin green painting. So after marking, the original color will appear. Is there any questions of our customers? Okay. Later I will leave some time. Later I will leave some time to answer our friends' questions. Okay, now I will just only mark some sentences. This logo is from one of my customers who specialized in producing insole. So he requires to mark on the leather of the insole. I use his logo to mark on metal. Let's try next. We try to mark the logo on the brass. It's a brass. There's a very cute animal on here. I don't know who marked on it. Do you see? There's an animal.